The video is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the site Datinguniversezone.top. Datinguniversezone.top is a site that displays fake age verification alerts. In particular, it tells you to click on Allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are over 18 years old. But when people mistakenly click on that Allow button, the browser gets hijacked and infected with multiple pop-ups that would be attacking the screen in the form of repeated and truly annoying web push notifications. If you have clicked on that Allow button, you need to fix your browser by accessing the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. So research the websites allowed to send notifications. Remove this malicious site from the list. In order to make sure that your system is free of other threats, I do recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the software, and start researching your device with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.